And whoa, this indeed could cause the capacitor to short out, which could cause a compressor not to work. So first things first, let's clean this up. I'm gonna kill power to this unit. So yeah, let me see, what is this, a 45 or 40-5? Let me get another cap. So yeah, guys, technically this is a no AC call, but this customer keeps the thermostat to auto. Auto means the heat and AC could turn on within one day. If the temperature outside gets above a certain point, the AC turns on, and vice versa. If the temperature outside gets below a certain point, the heat will turn on.